Oh yeah, come out.
Hey, Oga.
Come out.
Hey, yes sir. Hey, Oga. Oga Biko. Hey.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Take it. Take it.
Hey, Oga Biko. Hey, Oga Biko. Hey.
They won't see you, Reba. Oh yeah, fast. My friend, come on.
Hey, Oga, no, come on, Oga. Hey, Oga. Go, Oga. Hey, Oga Biko. Hey, Oga. Hey, Oga Biko. Hey, Oga. Hey, Oga, you sika. Hey, I got big. I'm going back. I got oh, phone. You can buy no sissy car to put you back. I'm going to phone now. I'm going to I got big. I don't understand.
Who are you?
Oh,
I am
Inspector Olatunde Olanini Olajiji.
from where?
From the CPS.
Good. I hope it should be the DPO who sent you. Now, I would like you to take this man to the station because he has been messing up with my property. These are the evidence. He dropped some useless disease here. Here is the evidence. Take him there.
Is it true?
Officer, Otego, you be the tour police soldier.
What?
I'm officer, not you, Olatunde. Ola jiggy. Like your father. Nah, you know. What the same? Like your father now. Now see what they talk about. Well, the same.
What do you mean?
Okay, officer, not be say I do anything, but you know, say I don't like my wife. I don't allow my wife to be rest. I don't like to do jiggy. The thing that they suit me. So now I don't allow them to rest or even to sleep at all. Now what I do, okay? Now I don't finish you.
Is your wife so beautiful?
Yeah. Hey, if you see an officer, you got a big breast, Allah. Huh? You better not tell ya. Yeah. 5 rooms and palo.
Then your wife must be arrested. That means I'm going to arrest your wife and he's going to be investigated for 2 weeks or a month.
Hey! Okay? You want to kill me? So I'm going to do this like I do so. Hey, okay, don't
Will you shut up?
Hey, okay, sir, officer, you gonna kill me, officer. You gonna kill me, Hey, no.
I said she will be investigated for a week 2 weeks, or a month.
What of
investigation?
What of this? If you say I want down for, say I like Canada. Listen, officer, hey, you want him, officer.
Are you still here?
Sir, I would like to know the offense of this man.
The offense?
Yes.
I have told you you'll be trespassing against my property.
Yes.
So, what again do you want to do?
I mean the act of the offense. So I need to take down the, the act of the offense.
Well, the act, I'm not a lawyer. If you must know, the act is incorporation of incorporate, in disrespect of indespect,
Yes.
mischief of in mischief, and incorporation of land acquisition.
Hey! Ah, that is enough. This is enough. That is enough. You are under arrest. Move. Ah,
Okay.
the offense is okay. Move.
Okay.
Move. It's enough. I said move.
But you draw my juju.
Move. I said move. Hold on. Stand here.
Okay, sir.
Nonsense.
Hold it. Yeah?
Hold it. Because
Okay, come on, between my home.
move. Get inside.
Can't you go in there?
Get inside. Criminal like you.
Hey, I'm gonna feel like
Get down.
Hey,
Get down. Now to the front. To the front. Subject. Move. About move the bicycle. Come on, move. Be moving.
Okay, sir.
Stop. You can't be at the front while I am at the back. And a inspector like me. Move to the back. To the back. No, wait. Sit here. No. No. You can't even sit on this, no. You can't sit on this. No. You coming? No. No. You are too far from me, man. To the front.
Front again.
No.
Chere.
Take it.
No.
As a matter of fact, carry the bicycle.
Asokwa.
Yeah.
Hey. I can see anything na sibe kataga musobu no wa.
I said carry the bicycle. I never said enter. Carry.
For head, I've been a head dagger.
What nonsense? Remember we are going to your house to pick your wife. No, stop. Put it down. Put it down. Wait a minute. Is your phone?
Hold it.
Wait.
Okay, sir.
Now.
Because you know, I'm like ntị na akpata afọ echi ụra ga ama dị afọ ọzọ. Ịba bụ ibe njem ibe. Ee. Aga bụta m ewu ọrụ m ewu na-achị ka chịrị ka Come on. I said it. This is the top man. I said, put on my head.
Now be coming.
Okay, sir. Hey. Okay, sir. Come in. Okay, sir. I cannot find the man I could be arrested and somebody have taken my bicycle. Oh, no. Ah, my bicycle. Did you? No.